How to fix Telegram no connection error. When Telegram shows a no connection error, your device is not communicating with Telegram servers at all. Start by checking your internet settings. Turn airplane mode on and off, then reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Make sure Telegram has permissions to use data in your phone's app settings. Disable any battery saver modes that might restrict background data. Try switching DNS servers to public DNS to bypass network restrictions. Restarting your device often solves temporary network glitches affecting Telegram. Has the no connection error stopped your chats? Tell us in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.